Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a VESA mount installation guide on this MSI Pro gaming monitor. This is how the monitor looks with the built-in stand, but I think it needs more adjustability. So of course we're going to install a monitor arm onto this monitor right here. So turn it around like so, and then we're gonna put it face down onto a soft surface to basically start the installation. So there you go, that's how it looks. Now you're gonna press this button at the back of the monitor and you will basically wiggle the stand while pressing that down, and you will see it is very easily removable. And over here at the back there is these 4 holes over here that you will basically install the monitor arm into. So this one I actually got off Amazon. I will link it in the description below if you guys are interested into getting this monitor arm. But I will show you guys how to install it. So first off, we're going to take the screws over here. You guys will see we're basically just going to tighten this with our fingers at first, just so it's easier to basically tighten it later with the Phillips screwdriver. But right now we're just going to basically speed up the video so you guys can see how fast it actually goes. Then of course the last one over here at the 4th part of the stand. Then we're going to take the Phillips screwdriver and actually make sure all of them are tight enough so it doesn't actually move around or wiggle or anything, because we definitely do not want that. That will be very bad. And yeah, we're basically just making sure they are secured, and that is how it looks, and it feels pretty secure, guys. I think we did a pretty good job with this monitor right here, and this stand looks absolutely amazing. It's probably a little bit basic for some people. You guys can get a better one down below as well. But this is how the monitor looks on my desk with the new monitor arm, and I already think it looks a lot cleaner than basically just using the included stand. Of course, this one has a lot more adjustability, so you guys can actually move this around and everything. But I think it looks good, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this and if you think it actually looks better. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this VESA mount installation guide for the MSI Pro monitor. And yeah, hopefully I see you guys in the next video. If you guys are interested in the review of this video, you guys can check it out in the right side corner right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.